Hello everyone, this is Ms. Sheerin. I'm here to help you with American English vocabulary. Today we'll be working on colors. I've made some simple color palettes to teach you the basic colors and some other advanced color names. Let's get started. First, let's begin with the basic colors. Black, black, black. Red, red, red. Green, green, green. Yellow, yellow, yellow. Blue, blue, blue. Brown, brown, brown. Gray, gray, gray. Purple, purple, purple. Pink, pink, pink. White, white, white. Orange, orange, orange. Turquoise, turquoise, turquoise. Red, yellow, white, green, golden, pink, purple, blue, orange, black, emerald, fuchsia, azure, apple green, beige, beryl, bright blue, chocolate, carnation, red oxide, royal green, scarlet, violet, vermilion, small gray, sea green, maroon, navy blue, white, oyster, crimson, dusky, dark gray, foam, cosmic blue, indigo, brown, golden, silver, gray. Let's repeat again. Red, yellow, white, green, golden, pink, purple, blue, orange, black, emerald, fuchsia, azure, apple green, beige, beryl, bright blue, chocolate, carnation, red oxide, royal green, scarlet, violet, vermilion, small gray, sea green, maroon, navy blue, off-white, oyster, crimson, dusky, dark gray, chrome, cosmic blue, indigo, brown, golden, silver, gray, Arctic, line, coral, lilac, ash, plant, mustard, garnet, lavender, ocean, cider, root, pecan, umber, salmon, lapis, raisin, mouse, tan, khaki, sky blue, light green, ruby, metallic, jet black, bright blue, cinereous, teal, wheat, hot pink, dark green, greenish brown, olive, sand, orchid, sapphire, cinnamon, slate gray, bronze, biscotti. Once again, Arctic, lime, coral, lilac, ash, plant, mustard, garnet, lavender, ocean, cider, root, pecan, umber, salmon, lapis, raisin, mouse, tan, khaki, sky blue, light green, ruby, metallic, jet black, bright blue, cinereous, teal, wheat, hot pink, dark green, greenish brown, olive, sand, orchid, sapphire, cinnamon, slate gray, bronze, biscotti. So, we've come to the end of our lesson today. Let me know in the comments below which color you prefer. For me, my favorite color is purple. If you enjoyed this lesson and you learned something new, please hit that like button below. And as always, thanks so much for watching. And I'll see you next time. Peace out.